For Telstra, we provide services across 90 plus applications for wholesale, activation, data warehousing, finance, HR and collaboration portfolios. Our 450 associates not only work on non-discretionary activities but also discretionary activities and innovation, value delivery, including automation and proactive enhancements for Telstra applications. So our associates are spread across multiple facilities including Melbourne, Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore, providing uninterrupted round-the-clock support. Our associates have been successfully providing 24/7 services from these centers for last 5 years, and also we delivered 250 plus projects in the last 5 years successfully.
Working in a dedicated customer center fosters a sense of belonging towards Telstra family. The entire customer center emphasizes on Telstra's value, vision and policies so that the team can work towards Telstra's objective. This customer center inspires employees to work as a team to deliver services to Telstra. Value delivery framework serve as a platform, encourage innovative ideas across different levels and enable individuals to achieve their career objective. As part of Telstra initiative, each individuals are encouraged to provide 3 suggestions which help Telstra to achieve their strategic goals in terms of customer focus, innovation and simplification.
From this delivery center, we provide services to applications in BICOE, OSS, Telstra Wholesale, FinHR and Kola portfolios. We have got strong technical team with a different experience and knowledge in leading technologies and domain like business intelligence, data warehousing, SAP, Microsoft and Oracle. For Telstra Wholesale portfolio alone, there are over 30 team members to support Telstra Wholesale's business critical applications, MNPCS, LNPCS, LOLO and LNPCS. There is a dedicated set of team to support business critical application NBN through which Telstra Wholesale is offering their fiber-based services to the end customer and their service providers. This team has a dedicated team to support NBN application through which Telstra Wholesale is offering fiber-based product to their end customer and service providers. In case of any critical business launch such as iPhone 6, the whole team will be standby mode to cater to a surge in mobile port-in applications through MNPCS application.
We are well versed in Axis, Raspi, LOLO and other business critical applications. Regular health checks are done to ensure Telstra to keep their systems constant availability and also to monitor to ensuring that Telstra also meets their service obligations. We also engage with Telstra application managers and users from Brisbane and Melbourne to perform various business critical activities such as porting and order submissions for various different applications like MNPCS, ULSYS and TPNI.
BICOE team supports Telstra's critical data warehousing applications such as EDW, TDW, WDR and CDW. This 24/7 support is done via our centers in Melbourne, Chennai and Bangalore.
The SAP team that belongs to Finance HR portfolio has team members working round the clock supporting various critical applications like MyActivity, Integral and TIOS among others. Direct sales of Telstra products to NAB employees is also supported by the SAP team.
HP USM team is skilled in HP CMS technologies and supports our HP products such as HP OM, HP BSM, HP Sitescope. They also offer customized automation services using agile methodologies. These services are critical for business service management of Telstra and its customers. Like any other offering, this is done via our offshore and onshore centers.
While the key focus is on timely delivery, and meeting all our quality standards, I am also encouraged to push the envelope by designing new solutions that raise our standards of excellence. This way, I can provide value and innovation in addition to rendering services. We have the necessary expertise around 90 applications, and along the past 5 years itself, we have delivered more than 250 discretionary projects for Telstra from this very center.
We believe that innovation is all about thinking differently in order to provide value to the stakeholders. Therefore, the teams are encouraged to come up with new ideas that will result into improved ways to provide value or service to the customer. This is achieved through structured innovation framework, continuous encouragement, and special process and campaigns. Some of the successful ideas include automation of archive process, which resulted into reduction of around 200 incidents. Another successful innovation includes automation of NBN build process, which resulted in reduction of the deployment time. The innovation framework encourages active participation from teams. Smart ideas are appreciated and respective members awarded.
HP and Telstra have had a wonderful relationship of more than 5 years. We at HP are driven to create solutions that help make a positive impact on Telstra business. Innovation is part of our DNA, and we use meaningful innovations to help Telstra meet its strategic objectives.
I'm fortunate to have inspired leaders in my organization who not only offer their time to help us with our delivery but also guide us on our career progression and work-life balance. We at HP follow an open door policy which allows us to walk up to our managers for any guidance and support on any roadblocks that we may be facing.
Though people join this delivery center with technical skills, it is very important for them to know Telstra delivery process very well. This understanding of this Telstra delivery process is done by separate grooming section. We have a dedicated curriculum. We call it as Telstra University, where we follow 70-20-10 approach. First 10% comes from the classroom coaching. The next 20% is from giving feedback and team building activities. The remaining 70% comes by experience and on-the-job training. All new joinees to this center, irrespective of their level, they have to undergo the training to know each and every aspect of the Telstra processes and projects. So we have a set of SMEs to enable this training mechanism through classroom session.
The mainframe training, which is a month-long event, helps us in giving an holistic understanding of the technology used. Apart from the training, we are encouraged to pick up skills on the job. The team leaders and the seniors play a vital role in imparting knowledge which helps in the seamless delivery of the solutions.
It is certainly a matter of pride when a team member completes a significant milestone, say completion of 5 or 10 years in HP. Surprise parties are organized to celebrate such team events, and sometimes even their family members are called over to take part in the celebrations. In order to show our appreciation to the team members for their significant efforts in completing critical deliveries, team lunches and potluck are organized.
We all know that all work and no play makes a Jack a dull boy. Therefore, we organize team activities and provide various avenues for employees to showcase their skill and talent. Friendly cricket matches are organized to encourage team spirit and sportsmanship. Birthdays too are a great way to get people together in an informal setup. Fun activities and games are planned for the entire team, and everyone takes part in the celebration with a great gusto.
Taking a cue from sports, where we have actually a cricket, the Tennis Hall of Fame, we have actually at the Telstra Customer Center a wall of fame for our own extraordinary as well as outstanding employees. Those who actually go the extra mile, who keep HP as well as Telstra commitment ahead of themselves, who show to the customer that they really care for them, and also who are ever dependable, they find a place in this wall. And what we want to really do is, we want to actually set this up as an inspiration for those who want to secure a place by putting some little extra effort. Telstra wholesale team has been widely acknowledged as well as appreciated for the fantastic deliveries in the start of the year. I should say that we had many challenging releases, R1404, 1405, 1407, but I wouldn't stop with that. We also had the remediation program cutting across the whole thing. What I mean by that is, we had actually the parallel timelines, but remediation was against one of the crucial as well as critical lean schedule. Given that, We also had many code retrofit that had to be done to maintain the code integrity. All of those were done effectively without any issues. The customer really appreciated for that, and I think we are worthy of that.
I have numerous avenues to express my views as well as equal opportunities to share my ideas. It is this sort of freedom that keeps me dedicated and motivated towards my job. Our team leaders and managers put an extra effort to ensure that the team maintains an ideal work-life balance. I can collaborate with other team members in order to get a job done quickly. The flexible leave policy helps me take leave when it is most important.
The feeling of being in one team comes only when you take the team member out of the workplace and let them be themselves. It facilitates better communication, develops teamwork, motivates the employees, and once the team members get to know each other better, it makes the workplace much more enjoyable. The major reason for team building in the workplace is to build better relationships and thus ensuring improvement in overall productivity.
We make it matter.